The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The VEVOR Thickness Planer offers a high-quality 13-inch widened worktable, allowing users to plane boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide. The easily adjustable tables and pull-out extensions provide 35 inches of total length for better support on long stock. The precision machined cast iron bed and steel plate help in keeping boards flat, ensuring precise cuts. The high-precision 3-knife cutter head, with a quick change feature, is made of solid steel and hardened to HRC 5560, providing smooth and consistent performance for an extended lifespan. The planer offers 2 speeds for cutting, allowing users to choose between a quick planing speed of 24 feet per minute or a slower 15 feet per minute for a smooth finish on figured stock with minimal tear-out. The 2000-watt motor, operating at 23,500 RPM, provides a fine finish, and the built-in 20-amp overcurrent protector enhances safety by automatically cutting off power when the current exceeds 20 amp. The planer also features low-dust planing with a vacuum port for convenient dust collection, and the chip ejection can be connected to a vacuum cleaner for efficient chip removal. In terms of user reviews, some customers express satisfaction with the unit, highlighting its functionality, quieter operation compared to other brands, and the convenient dust port. However, assembly instructions for the base and stand are criticized for being unclear, requiring extra time to figure out. Some users note challenges with planing thicker wood, while others appreciate the sturdy build and recommend adjustments to the feed table before use. Overall, users find the planer easy to set up and use, and it performs well with hard wood. Some suggest improvements, such as including an adapter for a 2 1/2-inch shop-vac hose. Despite minor drawbacks, many customers are happy with the machine's performance, durability, and results, making it a valuable addition to a wood shop.